Viewers, let's talk about how to care rubber plants. First, humidity. Rubber plants appreciate moderate to high humidity levels. If the air in your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing a tray of water near the plant to increase humidity. Misting the leaves can also be beneficial. Next, watering. Allow the top inch or two of the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to avoid keeping the soil constantly soggy. When watering, do it thoroughly, allowing water to drain from the pot's bottom. Next, temperature. Rubber plants prefer temperature between 60°F to 75°F, same as 50°C to 24°C. Protect them from cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Next, soil. Use well-draining, rich potting soil for your rubber plant. A mix containing peat moss, perlite, and pine bark works well. Next, pruning. If your rubber plant becomes leggy or outgrows its space, you can prune it back to encourage bushier growth. Pinch or cut off the top of the stem and new growth should emerge from the nodes below the pruning point. Next, repotting. Choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in a diameter than the current pot when repotting. Rubber plants prefer to be slightly root bound, so avoid pots that are too large. Next, light. Rubber plants prefer bright indirect light. They can tolerate some direct sunlight, especially in the morning or late afternoon, but avoid intense direct sunlight for extended periods as it can scorch the leaves. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.